for the Acapulco chicken and green chili and cheese rice, we're going to be using these ingredients. We're going to be needing olive oil and garlic. We're going to be seasoning the chicken with black pepper, garlic salt, and chili powder. For the rice, we're also going to be using butter, sour cream, cornstarch, and I'm going to be using a mild cheddar cheese. Again, the Acapulco chicken can be spicy, and so I'm going to try and counteract that. We're using chicken thighs instead of the chicken breasts. I think that'll give it a meatier flavor, a deeper flavor. We're going to be garnishing the chicken with cilantro, and mixed in with the chicken, the vegetables are going to be 2 seeded jalapenos, some tomatoes, a white onion, and a green pepper. These together will make it be a vegetable dish with the chicken cooked with it.